Hello, I'm CG Yan. This is a quick video to show how to add materials in Blender. In this tutorial, I want to use UV sphere, so we can go to Add Mesh and add the UV sphere here. Close up to view it, and then I want to make it smooth, so we can use right click and use Shade Smooth. And then we can switch to Material Preview. We can go to top option bar, we can find Material Preview button here, or we can use Set to show material preview here. We have white color because we don't have any material, so we can add material, go to material properties, and then go to new, we can add material. Okay, and then we can see that Principled BSDF shader looks is added. Next, we can go to base color, we can change the color. For example, we can change to purple, we can change to red, green, and blue. I will pick blue, and then we can go to change to metallic, and also we can change to matte, or we can change to shiny. We can use IOR for transparent material. I skip it. We can change alpha value to semi-transparent or transparent, and I keep it in 1. Actually, this is first option to add material in material properties. We have another option, we can use shader editor. If using shader editor, I suggest to split the viewports into 2. One is for preview, another one we can switch to shader editor. So we can find the same setting for making the material. If you want to add texture, we can use Shift A and search texture. So we can add the texture here, or we can add image texture here. We have another tutorial to show how to add texture and image texture into material. If you want to see it, you can find the tutorial in this channel. So this is how we can add materials in Blender. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe to this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Yan. See you in the next video.